Tutorac is India's first of its kind e-learning platform that offers high-quality masterclass videos for students in grades 11 and 12. Our innovative teaching method improves conceptual understanding and helps students retain knowledge. Our visually stunning videos created by IITians and Ph.D. holders use 3D animation to explain complex concepts in practical and easy to understand manner. Our courses are broken down into manageable sections and topics, making it easy for students to follow along and understand the material. Each topic also includes summary notes for review and preparation. Additionally, we provide problems and solution videos at the end of each module to help students apply the knowledge, making it a practical choice for students preparing for board exams as well as competitive exams such as NEET and JEE. And if student ever has a question or a doubt while viewing the video content, we have an Ask a Doubt feature that allows students to get clarification in 15 minutes. To further aid in exam preparation, introducing T.E.S.T, a new feature at Tutorac. T.E.S.T is a simulation of real JEE and NEET exam. It includes weekly mock tests and one grand test every month, allowing students to constantly monitor their performance and fine-tune their preparation. Please don't let your child miss out the opportunity to get India's best possible education with Tutorac. So sign up today to give them the competitive edge to succeed.